Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
And I am with
Ayla.
Ayla. Oh, you speak louder. Can you do that? And we are going to review DXN product. The name of the product is Lingchi.
Lynchy.
Can you read that?
Lynchy.
Yeah. Pineapple cake.
Pineapple cake.
Yeah. Can you speak louder?
Pineapple cake.
You like pineapple? You like pineapple? You like cake? Okay, here's the box, and yung box niya, it contains, I think around, it's nakalagay dito. It's 10 pieces, 10 pieces, 45 grams each. And nutrition facts, again, it's carbohydrates, dietary fiber, a little bit of protein, and that's it. Ingredients: pineapple jam, flour, unsalted butter, egg, icing sugar, full cream milk, Ganoderma extract, salt, and it may contain wheat, milk, eggs, and lactose. Okay, so let's try it na, no? Ready ka na ba? Are you ready? Ready to eat? Okay, so let's remove the seal first. Okay, so the seal is broken. Then let's ready to try the product. Are you excited, Larita? You want to try this one? Have you eaten your breakfast yet? Not yet. Did you have your breakfast? Okay. Okay, so you like pineapple. No, ang maganda rito, there's pineapple, there's Ganoderma. So, kasama na siya dito sa cake na to. Yun. You know Ganoderma? No? You bet that you know pineapple. Okay, here it is. Yan, so 10 piraso siya. So, yan. So, let's get one. So, as you can see, yung packaging niya, mayroon siyang picture ng pineapple, may picture ng Ganoderma. And, here we go. Ready? So, let's try. First, bago natin tikman, paamoy muna natin kay Ayla. How's the smell? Smells good? You like to try? Okay, let's try. Okay. You like it? You want more? More? More. Okay. How's the taste? How's the taste? Is it sweet, salty, milky? Your thoughts? Huh? You say it louder so that people can hear you.
Sweet.
You say it to the camera.
Sweet.
Then, what else?
Yummy.
Yummy. Did you taste the pineapple? The pineapple? It tastes like a pineapple. Then what else? Or let's say 1 to 10. 1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest. Rate it from 1 to 10. What? 10 for you? Wow, that's nice. So you want more? You want more? So ang ratings ni Ayla ay 10. So cheers. Yan. So na-enjoy niya. So her rating is 10. Thank you for watching. So, you say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
You don't have any more comment about the product? Are you satisfied? Are you happy? Okay. Bye-bye.